Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are doing the Walmart Beauty Box. So did y'all know Walmart has beauty subscriptions? You pay $6.98 and 4 times a year, so it's a seasonal box. They'll send you some sample goodies. Most of the time we do really feel like we get our money's worth through the samples. Sometimes we don't. I did watch one the other day, I think it was from Katie's Corner of the World, that she wasn't really feeling like she got her money's worth this time. So I'm curious to see if I got the same products as she did or if I got something different, you know, different part of the world. If you want to try it, I do have a link below. It is not an affiliate or referral or anything like that. It is just a link to where you can get this box. But yeah, let's see what Walmart said. Here's my box. It does come wrapped in plastic and shipped like this. I'm gonna get the plastic off and I'll be right back. So it says that I got version 2. I'm thinking she said she got version 5, but this is the Summer Beauty Box, and there is a way to open you. Oh, here we go. Just ignore me. Summer Glow Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 products in here. And here's a possible, this is what you could get. It does not always say what you actually get. It says what you could get. And then there is a code for some Cetaphil on the back. I do like Cetaphil. It is a great brand. Dermatologist recommended brand. Like literally the dermatologist I go to recommends it. Let's see what it says. It's glow time. Get ready to toss that hair, show some skin, and have a little fun in the sun. Man, I did that yesterday. From refreshing rehydration and moisturizer with SPF to deep conditioning hair treatments, all under $15 each, our summer beauty picks will have you looking and feeling amazing. Shop everything in this box and get ingredient information at walmart.com/beautybox. Each box contains 6 products. Assortments may vary based on your beauty profile. So the first thing they have on here, they have this in every box, and I'm not mad about it. I actually really like these liquid IVs. I normally get strawberry, but I've tried the guava. It was all right. This one is Pina Colada. I do like a Pina Colada, so I will give this one a try. I personally feel like these make you feel a lot better. You mix it in with a bottle of water, give it a good shake, and drink it. It helps to rehydrate you. It's kind of like drinking Gatorade, except these I think are stevia based. Non-GMO electrolyte drink mix. So yeah, if I'm going out to the pool, I'm gonna drink one of these. I'm working in the yard, I'm gonna drink one of these, possibly more. I order these all the time. You can get them from Walmart. You can also order them from Amazon. I think they're a better deal on Amazon. If I remember, I'll put the link to the Amazon one below. That one is an affiliate link, by the way. But I do love liquid IV. A full size of this is $8.98 for a 6 count. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins, 45 calories. So yeah, I do love these. Next is the Cetaphil. This is the daily, let me make sure this is what it actually is. See, it's not what it actually is. On here, they're talking about the facial moisturizer. This is actually a gentle skin cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. So I will use that. You know, I've used Cetaphil cleansers before. I like that it is for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin on occasion. I can't tell you how much it was because it's not the exact product that's on here, but anyway, moving on. This individual little sample here is the Sagely Nature's Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. Instant cooling with 10% menthol. So, pain relief cream. That's a first for this box. It's actually on here. The full size of this is $12.48. Look your best when feeling your best. This instantly soothing pain relief cream is a plant-based, clean alternative to chemical packed products, and it effectively eliminates minor pains so you can feel more you. That is interesting. Man, if I could reach my shoulders right now, I would put it on because I woke up really stiff today. Temporarily relieves minor aches and pains of the muscles and joints associated with strains, bruises, simple back aches, arthritis, and strains. It says strains twice. Okay, interesting. Next, this is Palmer Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Protein Pack. I'm always up for getting something for my hair. This is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formulated Moisture Boosting Protein Pack. The full size of this product is $1.47. So very inexpensive product. This concentrated moisture treatment deeply penetrates and restores dry, damaged, over-processed, and color-treated hair. Visibly smooths rough hair cuticles, improves manageability, and increases shine after each use. So immediately after shampooing, apply this generously through your hair from the roots to the tip and allow to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Okay. You can't rinse with hot water? You're in the shower. You're gonna... Anyway, interesting. Next is this Hello Vegan Lip Balm. Interesting. It's in sweet mint with coconut oil, full size, and this product is $4.48. It's got broad spectrum SPF in it. I like that. Protects and moisturizes. It's water resistant for 80 minutes, 8-hour moisturization. Dermatologist tested. Interesting. And it's got the little bunny on it. Hello. 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 Cool mint. Not going to be able to tell if it was cooling on my finger. Yeah, I can't tell. It's a lip balm, y'all. Nice packaging. $4.48. I'd put it on my lips, but I got so much stuff on there. I'll use it though, especially when I'm at the pool. Last product. This is Ambi Skincare Black Soap with Shea Butter. Cleanse and nourish your skin and rinses clear. So we got a bar soap. Full size product, and it is $1.92. Gently cleanse, moisturize, and condition your skin with a unique beauty bar that uses natural ingredients to go beyond basic cleansing. I think this is the full size. Yeah, it is. Well, let's open it. Black soap with shea butter. I don't want to open the plastic though. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. I may gift it. You know, I opened the box. That's interesting. All right, so this was a full-size product for almost $2. This was a full product for $4.88. So we got supposedly our money's worth through this. And then you got these 3 samples. Four. Do we think we got our money's worth? Lip balm, soap, conditioner, IV, and a cleanser. I mean, it was close. It was no big savings here. Is there anything I'm super interested in besides trying the Pina Colada? it's a fun box to open up anyway, just to see what you're going to get. You never know. So tell me what you think. What did you think of the Walmart beauty box? Do you think it is worth the money, or do you think it is not worth the money? Have you tried any of the products? Do you want to try any of the products? All that good stuff. I want to hear it below in the comments. Y'all, I appreciate y'all spending time with me. Please press all those YouTube buttons. You know what to do. Thank you so very much for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.